Welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We are happy you are here. Today, we will listen to a story called Merry Christmas. This story is great for beginners at the A1 level. You will learn new words, practice listening, and understand easy sentences. Sit back, relax, and let's start. It is Christmas Eve, and I am very excited. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. My family and I always celebrate together. In the morning, we clean the house and prepare everything for the evening. We decorate the house with beautiful lights, colorful ornaments, and a big Christmas tree. My mother always puts a star on the top of the tree. The tree looks very beautiful with all the shining lights and ornaments. I love looking at it in the evening when the lights are on. At 5 p.m., we start preparing the Christmas dinner. My mother makes delicious turkey with potatoes, carrots, and green beans. My father helps by making his special Christmas cake. It smells so good. We also make cookies for Santa. I like to decorate them with icing and sprinkles. My little brother loves eating the cookies, but we save a few for Santa. By 6 p.m., the dinner is ready. We sit down at the table and say, "Merry Christmas." The table is full of food. We eat and talk about happy memories from the past Christmases. Everyone laughs and shares stories. My grandmother tells us how she celebrated Christmas when she was young. We all enjoy the meal, and my little brother keeps asking for more cake. We all enjoy the food and feel very happy. After dinner, we clean the table and start to open the presents. I love this part of Christmas. My family gives me presents, and I give them presents too. This year, I got a new book, a warm scarf, and some chocolates. My little brother is so happy because he got a new toy car and a teddy bear. We all smile and say, "Merry Christmas." It feels so good to give and receive gifts. We take pictures to remember the moment. Later, we listen to Christmas music and sing some songs. We sing Jingle Bells, Silent Night, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas. My family loves to sing together. Then, we drink hot chocolate with marshmallows and eat some of the Christmas cookies. Outside, it is cold and snowy, but we are warm and happy inside. At 9 p.m., we all sit down on the couch and watch a Christmas movie. We watch a funny movie about Santa Claus and his reindeer. Everyone laughs, and we all enjoy the cozy time together. Before going to bed, we say, "Merry Christmas" to each other. We hang stockings by the fireplace, hoping Santa will visit. My little brother is excited and keeps asking if Santa will come tonight. I tell him, yes, Santa will come soon. We leave some cookies and milk for Santa and go to bed. I close my eyes and feel very happy because Christmas is a time for love, family, and joy. I can't wait to see what surprises tomorrow will bring. Merry Christmas to everyone. That is all for the story Merry Christmas today. Now I will ask you 3 questions to see if you understand the story. 1. What does the family put on the Christmas tree? 2. What food does the family eat for Christmas dinner? 3. What does the family leave for Santa before going to bed? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for a free PDF of today's story. Make sure to download it to enhance your learning. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode with another exciting topic to help you learn and grow.